All right, Queen, so I'm back with another look. Here I'm using a glow illuminator to put underneath my foundation to get that natural sun-kissed glow. And then I'm applying the primer on top because your girl is very oily in the T-zone. Of course, I have hyperpigmentation, so I color correct. This is a non-negotiable for me. And then I'm applying the foundation. I like to apply it with the sponge. This is a Real Technique sponge. It goes on very seamless. Here I'm using the Fenty concealer. This is actually her newest concealer out. It has nice ingredients to promote healthy skin. And it blends out seamlessly as well. So here I am setting the under eye area. Of course, I like to contour and bring some warmth back to the skin. So I'm chiseling those cheeks to give you that nice slimmer face. And then I'm using the Rare Beauty blush. Absolutely love her blushes. I mean, game changer. So beautiful. And they blend so nicely on the skin. And here I'm just setting my face with a finishing powder. You got to set so things don't move. And then I'm adding a little bit more warmth with a contour powder. Here I'm adding a dark brown eyeliner instead of using black just to have it a little bit more softer. And then, of course, you got to put some mascara on the bottom lashes so they can pop. I got more bottom lashes than I do top, so. And then I'm setting with setting spray to give that skin-like look to take away the powdery finish. And then I'm using a brown lip liner. I absolutely love this lip liner. It's from Makeup Forever. It's called Limitless Brown. Absolutely beautiful. And then this is the star of the show, Boss Lady by the Lip Bar. Absolutely love this red. It just gives boss. It gives you need to take direction from me. It gives showstopper. It gives turn heads. It just gives. Absolutely love this red. So got so many compliments when I wore this beauty. So definitely, again, Lip Bar. Link in my bio, LTK, with all the products I used. Until next time.